Morning to you. Stefan down at Victory Nissan. Just wanted to show you the inside of the 2021 Nissan Altima. This is the SR trim level, so it comes available with the paddle shifters on the steering wheel for that nice sporty feel. It's got the D-shaped steering wheel. It's flat on the bottom as well. Make it in and out a little bit easier for you. Apple Android CarPlay, of course, so navigation, text messages, all that stuff will be displayed on the screen for you. Got a lightning charger right there. That'll charge your devices a lot faster as well when they're connected. Vehicle comes equipped with forward collision detection, blind spot warning, of course, power windows, power locks, power mirrors. You got all that good stuff. Leatherette seats, though. This is leather right here, cloth right where your butt and your lower back sits. That's all the way around the vehicle as well. Beautiful finishes in this car too. Glorious on the inside, just as magnificent on the outside. There's your 19-inch alloys that are on there as well. Comes available in all-wheel drive. And as you can see, we got pretty much every color that you could hope for. So I'm confident we'll find the right one to suit your needs. When you get to Victory Nissan, make sure you ask for Stefan. Make the Altima yours today. Do everything we can. Have a wonderful day.